Hi guys, so this is me, Amber. I'm here for Bagallery, Pakistan. And if you would like to see more content like this, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. As you guys know, 11/11 sale aane wali hai and it's gonna be crazy. So Bagallery पे बहुत amazing deals आई हुई हैं. It's gonna be all about skincare, hair care, makeup products. So I'm gonna be mentioning the link down comment section below. So make sure you check it out and do grab a lot of stuff from the amazing deals and do let me know कि आपने क्या क्या खरीदा है. A lot of you guys ask me about कि आप अपने hair पे क्या करती हैं, कौन सा shampoo use करती हैं. So I use Dove Intense Repair shampoo and conditioner, as you can see at my back. So this is the shampoo I use. It's Dove Intense Repair shampoo for damaged hair. Along with it, they have their conditioner. It's for damaged and frizzy hair. I swear guys, this is like a holy grail products for me. They both works amazing together. And as you guys know कि I'm a blogger and मुझे रोज styling करनी पड़ती है, curling, straightening and as you guys can see कि मेरे बाल are like super frizz free, shiny, and the best part is कि बिल्कुल भी hair fall नहीं होता. तो make sure to grab these products and do let me know कि क्या आप लोगों के बालों में results आया. So today in this video, I'm going to be showing you guys 11 different hairstyles that you can make on frizz free and damage free hair. So let's just get into the video.